Welcome to Fast Tip Friday. This is Amy Bowser-Rollins with Litigation Support Guru. In today's tip, I want to share with you how to create a really easy pivot table to count the number of unique values in a column. So in this example, I have a list of names, their titles, and their states, and I want to know how many people are from each state and how many people have each of the titles. So I've already created pivot tables that show that information, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So we're going to click anywhere in this area where our data is, and then we're going to go to Insert Pivot Table. It automatically tries to select the entire range of cells, which it did, so we can leave that. This option right here is asking whether I want the pivot table to be on a new worksheet, which I usually do, or an existing worksheet, and I'm going to choose that so you guys can see what I'm doing. So in the location, I'm going to click about right here. Then I'm going to click OK. So here's the pivot table settings. There's 4 boxes down here, and the idea is that you drag the fields into those boxes to get the results that you want. So in this example, we're going to start with the state. I'm going to drag the state down to rows because I want to list each individual unique value in the rows. And then I'm going to drag the state again into values because I want it to count how many unique values there are. So you can see our pivot table already gives us the information we want. And you can also notice that I went back in and changed the value in each of these cells. You can just click into it and change it. So I changed it, over here to state and then total. Okay, so that's the first pivot table. Let's go back. When you click in a pivot table, the pivot table settings come out. And then when you click away, they go away. So I'm going to click back in the data. And I'm going to go to Insert Pivot Table again. The range is good. And then I'm going to choose Existing, and I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to click OK. And this time I want to know about the titles. So I'm going to drag the titles down to rows. And then I'm going to drag the title again down to values. And you can see that we got exactly what we want. And again, we can change the title of the columns. So that's how easy it is to create a pivot table to count unique values in a column. I hope you can put this to good use.